Hey, if you're a fitness professional who's struggling with coming up with some creative ideas for your content, this video is for you. I'm your host, Andrew, from Andrew Wallace Consultancy, and I've put together this 2024 fitness marketing content calendar. This video, I'm focusing on the month of February, and as you can see on the screen, I've got some promotion ideas, blog ideas, and social media ideas for you to consider. Whenever I'm putting together content, I'm always liking to start with an overarching theme for the month. I've got some particular awareness themes here that you might like to consider. Ones that I've used in the past, which have been popular, are with it being Valentine's Day coming up on the 14th, then working out as a couple has proven to be successful for me. But anyway, with it being Heart Disease Month in the US, I've put some promotional ideas here. Heart Healthy February package. As I say, Valentine's crops up on the 14th, so maybe you can put together some self-love promotion. Perhaps you can have a motivation kickstart for your client base. With it being Heart Disease Month, maybe having a giveaway for a heart rate monitor, encouraging clients or potential clients to monitor and optimize their heart health during their workouts. You could even put together a workout for them to follow over the month. That could be a free or potentially a paid promotion that you look to do. And of course, February being the month of love and being Heart Disease Month, marrying the two together, and perhaps you could run a Love Your Heart workshop where you discuss the connection between fitness and heart health. I've always been a big fan of running workshops, be it online or ideally if you've got a facility, then inviting your community into your facility where you can run the workshop for free, giving them some great health and fitness tips and strategies. And this enables you to build a rapport, develop a relationship with these individuals, giving them some great value during that workshop, be it in person or online, and then ultimately you can then have a call to action at the end. That call to action could be into a paid program that you offer, or it could be just collecting their details so that you can follow up with getting them onto your email list and continue to grow that relationship initially through value-based emails, which then leads into them looking to come on board as a paid client. I'm a big fan of inbound marketing. What I mean by that is it's creating content. It could be YouTube content, so video based, could be podcasts, or I prefer writing, so blog posts are my primary source of content that I look to create. I do that now in my role as a business coach within the fitness industry, but before that as a PT and bootcamp operator, I used my blog posts and email newsletters going out to deliver great content to my client base. So I've given some examples here of the types that you can look to use. It could be client success stories or motivational success stories. Some heart healthy fitness tips would work well, as I say, with it being Heart Disease Month. Fitness date night ideas based around Valentine's. And again, in the States, they have, or you have a day called Valentine, so when all the girls get together. So maybe you can celebrate and piggyback off that date. Is a great idea. And of course, working out together, partner training, maybe you can do a post on the benefits of group or partner training. That's a great way to do that. So I've also included some social media ideas. So today is the first, so it's a little late for this one. Bit remiss of me to get this out late, but Red Workout Challenge. So fast forwarding on the 14th, you could potentially run a organ donor awareness discount. You could, on the 17th, Acts of Kindness campaign. February the 20th is Pets at Work Day. So perhaps you could create a challenge where clients share photos or videos of their pets joining in their workouts. I've run that in the past with a coaching client, albeit we did this during lockdown, but they had their clients doing their sessions via Zoom, and they were screen capturing images of them working out with their pets, and we were able to use that and build a rapport around that fun and motivational atmosphere from that, and they've continued that on in the years since. But of course, as I say, February known for being Valentine's Day, so you could do run a countdown on your social media, sharing daily fitness tips, motivational quotes, and heart healthy recipes. Other dates to be aware of in February: tomorrow is Groundhog Day, so you could potentially utilize that side of things. For those of you who like Nutella, it's World Nutella Day on the 5th. On the 11th, it's Don't Cry Over Spilled Milk Day. On the 12th, Clean Out Your Computer Day. So that's a good one for, I think we can piggyback on that on, dealing with clutter. It could be a cluttered mind, and how working out can give clarity and make us feel much better. On the 12th, we've got the Super Bowl final. So Super Bowl Sunday comes up. So maybe you can do some healthy Super Bowl snacks, recipes and the likes, or even just, if you're a fan of the game, image or a post showing you getting ready and sat in front of the screen in readiness for the game. It's Mardi Gras on the 13th, and in the UK we've got Pancake Day, Shrove Tuesday. On the 14th of Feb is Valentine's Day. And on the 22nd, it's World Thinking Day. So again, I'm sure there's lots of content that you could potentially think around there. And then on the 28th is Public Sleeping Day. So perhaps we can put together content around the benefits of getting those Zs, and that side of things. So they give you some ideas of potential dates. So on here I've added, and this is my calendar that you can get a copy of. You'll get a link in the description below if you want to utilize this. It's a full 12-month one. I'm obviously just featuring February today, but then I'm also a big fan of looking at connecting with media, building relationships with local media. That could be the local newspapers, local radio stations, local and community magazines. These publications, they're looking for content. Not every day, I admit, but there's going to be occasion when they want to feature a story based around health and wellness, and they are not experts in that field. You are. So if you can build relationships with your local editors and share story ideas, I've given some here on here that you can look to share with them. They might not use these at this time, but if you're continually once a month connecting with them and sending the latest story that you put together, then when it comes, they might use that. But what I found from experience is that when it comes to them needing or wanting to run a health and wellness story, then who are they going to go to? Well, because you've been sending them those pieces over time, they can see that you're an expert in the field, so you would be their first port of call. And that's happened to me both on the radio, in local and national papers, and through magazines. There's been a couple of occasions over the past few years where I've had a monthly column working on health and wellness back in the day. So, and those all came about by sharing story idea prompts with local media. So it's always a good approach to take on that side of things. So hopefully this video gives you some insights and some ideas for content that you can look to put together for your content marketing calendar over the course of February. As I say, if you're wanting a free copy of the February one, or you would like to invest in the 12-month calendar for 2024, the links will be in the description below. That's me for now. Any questions, please comment, and if you found this valuable, please like and share to your contemporaries. Let's spread the love, and let's look to get more success for health and wellness professionals. I'll speak to you again very soon. Bye for now.